Need to give your developer access to your domain without sharing passwords? Here's how to provide delegated access in GoDaddy. Sign into your GoDaddy account. If prompted, complete the authentication process. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner. Select Account Settings. Now locate the Account Settings menu and click it. Select Delegate Access. On the right side, click Invite to Access. A pop-up window will appear. Fill out the name and enter the correct email address of the person you want to grant access to. Under Access Level, choose the appropriate level of permission. Click Invite on the right-hand side, and you're done. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've securely delegated access to your domain on GoDaddy. Your developer will receive an email invitation and can start working right away. No passwords shared, no hassle, just smooth collaboration. Need more tutorials like this? Stay tuned and keep building smarter.